Real estate agents, are you ready to skyrocket your lead generation and close more deals? Today, we are diving into the top 5 lead generation strategies for real estate agents in 2024 that will help you dominate your market. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your existing business, these strategies are for you. So let's get started. Let's start with strategy number 5, which is the classic but effective strategy, door knocking. This might sound old school, but it's a proven method to generate leads and create personal connections. When you knock on the doors, you're not just a name on the flyer, you're a real person who cares about the community. Key points to note here are: point number one, you need to choose the right time. Aim for the late afternoons or early evenings when people are likely to be home. Point number two, have a script. Prepare a friendly, non intrusive script. For example, hi, I'm ABCD, a local real estate agent. I wanted to introduce myself and see if you have any questions about the current market. Point number three, leave a lasting impression. Bring something of value like a market report or a small gift to leave with homeowners, even if they're not interested right away. Now, let's talk about strategy number four, which is open houses. Open houses are not just for showcasing potential properties, but also for meeting potential buyers and sellers. Hosting open houses gives you the opportunity to build relationships and establish yourself as an expert in the area. It does not necessarily have to be your open house. You could choose open house from your brokerage listings and decide based on the area where you want to farm and establish presence. It's a very effective strategy. If you keep hitting the same area again and again, the same people in the neighborhood will start recognizing you. And when the time comes to sell their home, they will already have a name in the mind. Now, key points to note here are: you need to advertise effectively. You need to use social media, newsletters, and local listings to promote your open house. The more people know, the better. You can also door knock homes in the neighborhood a day prior and invite them to the open house. Point number two, create an inviting atmosphere. Ensure the home is clean, staged, and welcoming. Offer refreshments to make visitors feel comfortable. Point number three, collect contact information. Have a sign-in sheet or a digital check-in to gather contact details. Follow up with a thank you email and offer more information about other listings. All right, now let's talk about the strategy number three, which is organic video content. In today's digital age, organic video content is a game changer. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook are perfect for showcasing your expertise and properties. Key points to remember here are: be authentic. People connect with real people. Don't worry about being perfect, just be yourself. Point number two, content ideas. Create property tours, market updates, neighborhood highlights, and client testimonials. I created a video on 5 videos every real estate agent should be creating, which talks about this in more detail. You can find the link above or in the description below. Point number three, optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to help people find your videos. Now let's talk about strategy number two, which is sphere of influence. Your sphere of influence is one of the most powerful lead generation tools. This includes friends, family, and past clients. These people already know and trust you, making them more likely to refer you to others. Key points to note here are: point number one, stay in touch. Regularly check in with your sphere of influence through calls, emails, and social media. Point number two, provide value. Share market updates, home maintenance tips, or other useful information. Point number three, ask for referrals. Don't be shy about asking for referrals. Let them know that you appreciate their support and are ready to help anyone they know who might need real estate service. Okay, now time to reveal strategy number one, which is paid marketing. Now, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google offer powerful tools to target specific demographics and generate high quality leads. This will give you predictable leads every single day without you having to door knock, cold call, or reaching out to your friends and family. This will act like a 24 by 7 salesperson. Now, key points to note here are: you need to define your audience. You need to use detailed targeting options to reach your ideal clients based on location, interest, and behaviors. You can target first-time home buyers, investors, downsizers, depending on which audience you want to cater. Then you need to create compelling ads. You need to use high quality images and video, clear call to actions, and enticing offers to grab their attention. Point number three, you need to monitor and adjust. You need to regularly check the performance of your ads and tweak them to improve results. A/B testing different versions can help you see what works best. Now, at Qualified Agent Leads, we help real estate agents get additional 200K GCI per year through our proven video campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. You can find more details on our website, qualifiedagentleads.com. Currently, we are offering a 10-day free trial where you can try our services for absolutely free without any obligation. All you need to do is go to our website, qualifiedagentleads.com, watch the free training, and then book a discovery call if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.